Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maina cautions CAB 2019 might be unexpectedly produced as an ordinance as long as BJP is in power. Urges people to remain alert. Congress leader Okrami Bobi Singh says MPCC is urging INC President Rahul Gandhi to include scrapping of CAB 2019 in Congress Party election manifesto for the upcoming election. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren leads BJP workers in paying floral tributes to slain CRPF personnel of yesterday's Pulwama terror attack. And Luwang Air Services and Cargo Private Limited begins air cargo services from Imphal to Guwahati, Kolkata, Delhi and Delhi to Imphal. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Laithangba Monica with the latest news updates. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maina has cautioned that Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 might be unexpectedly produced as an ordinance and hence urged people of the state to remain alert. The MP was speaking to media upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport today. MP Dr. Thokchom Maina, who attended the recent winter session of the Parliament in New Delhi, arrives along with Outer Manipur Parliamentary member Thangso Baite. Speaking to Impact News, Dr. Maina terms the police conduct during the recent anti-CAB movement both in Delhi and Manipur as outrageous and strongly condemned their conducts. He also said it would be wise to stay alert against the bill even though the bill lapsed in the Rajya Sabha because as long as BJP is in governance, the bill might be reintroduced anytime. He also stressed the need for NRC updating of Manipur.
Jigidi akwai sor hombi utam phange aduna sor batam phanga gasu akwai chekhen da badi ade aije ani kai tho de khangdi bani sarkar si batam leiri bani na tan leitaba kanda di sarkar pairi basi kamu sigi makhoi yama pang kanba route ama lei ordinance route leidna ordinance pa pusala gadi koi ni mayam demand toriba praja singna demand toriba koi soi hening de ha posina tabada sum thammaga Sendok sini tahu itu tahu kadra, sukses sendok putar kadra, highway sini nama koi ledo section siam sali. Masih si sarkar na highway di sarkar highway di baru sarkar si Manipur sarkar na high tarik sarkar ani moni panjari si. Masih posisi khang na hek neighboring state coba sam demi hone di sini. Simak tadi iya ni lagi sini. Aku juga hone betapa ni. NRC itu nanti aku update tahu bahwa si koi ni pajan pahami naraga, koi yana naraga anda. Jadi lepian deh, sukses kita ni pasti. Masih koi pun tahu ni naraga.
Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh asserted that Congress Party aims to scrap and completely withdraw CAB 2019 from the Parliament. Speaking to media during a press meet attended by eminent state Congress representatives in Congress Bhavan today, Ibobi stated that MPCC members have urged Congress Party National Leader Rahul Gandhi to include scrapping of CAB 2019 in the party's election manifesto for the upcoming Lok Sabha election. He criticized BJP as a party that does not walk the talks and a party that keeps deceiving the public. Ibobi asserted that Congress Party is a party of principle and does not want cheap fame. He maintained that Congress Party is the oldest and largest political party of the country. Okrami Bobi Singh stated that the party has been standing against CAB since last year and has been pleading not to produce the bill in the Lok Sabha as it poses a major threat to the country. The opposition leader said CAB and Triple Talaq bill were forcefully included in the revised bulletin of the recent Rajya Sabha session. Ibobi reminded that Congress Party walked out of the house against the bill when produced in the Lok Sabha. He said walking out of the house is the biggest form of protest.
Ihan hanbada moina satpase Manipur People's Protection Bill President SNP han biu awang nungpok Bharat sohandana clause ama insert tau biu haina joint memorandum pisan adu sibu Manipur da laiba praja sing legal luminaries laiba legal experts sing mayam sibu apang bani na laubraba bill si pass tawrani haina pakat panani khangde bill du munna pabio digest tawbio akai ba karigumam yawam ta ti farsi tawra sibige farsi tawra sibadunati akoina pamjari badi bill itself itself should not be allowed to pass. At the same time, original bill si withdraw tawgadabane. Digest tawbiraga karigina awang nungpok Bharat ki state mayam ja hawra isine kari. Congress party na irang sagana na ba irang hauna na ba instigate tawi insalli hayaba. Pass ta hondrabani business list ya hondrabani Lok Sabha gi withdraw ta hondrabani no mo khamta na tine khama chumna sahi chumna grand reception tawge tawbiyo sidi phayena koi yaujik.
Insinuating the possibility of producing Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in Parliament again, President of All India Trinamool Congress, Manipur Pradesh, Dr. S. Manawton, stated that it won't be just as right to celebrate over the lapse of the bill in the Rajya Sabha. Speaking to media at his Mekola residence today, Dr. Manawton stated that Manipur Democratic Alliance, MDA, a conglomerate of 11 political parties, went to Delhi and pressurized central leaders not to pass the bill in the Rajya Sabha, and that Trinamool Congress was one of the parties in the MDA. He added national leaders of the party stood against the bill. The party president announced departure of All India Trinamool Congress, Manipur Pradesh from Manipur Democratic Alliance, MDA, which was formed in relation to CAB 2019 as the bill has already lapsed in the Rajya Sabha. Dr. Manawton assured that All India Trinamool Congress, Manipur Pradesh will extend solidarity to any people's movement concerning state issues. He also assured that the party will continue taking active roles in solving state issues under the guidance of party national leaders.
Citizenship Amendment Bill si Rajya Sabha da puthokidre aduna masi mathanda sijaba bill ama oirani haidana khoigi yamna hekta nungai thoktana leiba yaba matam su nate aduna masi gi di makha taba kari kamaina tawba bill sigi laiba natraga North East miyam gi sentiment si khangna India government na thabak paikhat kadoribra natraga All India gi ba pa miyeng amada khoigi cap bill natraga masigi manaba ma natraga ordinance ma tholkadoribra haibani chingum miyam adudi constitutional expert miyam ma aduga lamdam sigi akhang ahi miyam ma kok chunghin minaraga masigi makha tab oirakpa yaba singdudi koi punnani naminaba changi.
Representatives of SCEA, SDO, Hairok and Hairok Apunba Mairapai Bilub visited the ailing anti-cab women vendors of Khairamban Market at Brims today. The representatives also extended monetary assistance to the women. Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release criticized BJP Manipur Pradesh for holding a reception ceremony for Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren at Haptakang Jebung yesterday by overlooking the injured elderly women vendors of anti-cab protest. The proscribed outfit says the event would have been more comprehensible for people of the state if it was organized by one of the student organizations or civil society organizations who took tenacious movements against the bill. Hairok Apunba Mairapai Bilub drew the attention of Manpak regarding threats of ill faith of those who failed to attend the reception ceremony of Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren and Education Minister T.H. Radhesham by one active worker of BJP Hairok Mandal, Laishram, Thambau on February 13. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Publicity Secretary of Hairok Apunba Mairapai Bilub, Kondongbam Sanahan, condemned the words of threats used by Thambau during the publicity campaign, urging people to attend the reception ceremony. Sanahan stated that residents of Hairok carried out road protests and state sit-ins against CAB 2019 under the initiative of Manpak at Hairok Bazaar. She expressed surprise that those BJP workers who did not participate in the anti-CAB protest are now celebrating over the lapse of the bill. Sanahan asserted that there is no point to celebrate until the bill is withdrawn.
BJP ki wakar hai batare gari manga taruk tawraga luhong bi stein da moi si publicity chatlaga lai ekhoi ima ben sing phamli ba som da moi onsal laga moi jagoi chai aduga moina nataba kholau ekhoi da lauchin birame sem birel amadi TS Radhesham minister hairiba ani ase bill ase pass tawgi da bi matang da makhoi okpagi thauram masida Hairok Parja Jumthongi thokpi dona saruk yabiu mateng pangbiu karigumba asida thoudaba mioi singdo Dasa Tajani, Haiba Wapamama, Panbirame.
Chief Minister na Delhi Satpamatamda, High CIBC table to Holloy, Bilsi passed to Holloy, Hiram gi wahi ma tai khoi na kong da ta gi lei ta bani media su thengna moida ngasi bill si pass to gidra matung da di makoi bu athau bane lamdam si gi nong sa ne ga hana lawre si ai di makoi matak ti kai pawi.
Meanwhile, in another press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, BJP Hairok Mandal active worker Laishram Thambau clarified that his warning of ill fate was not used against the people. The party active worker asserted that all intended was to urge people to accord rousing welcome to the political leaders so that the leaders will be encouraged to work for the welfare of the people.
Manipuri Council of Ministers, MLA, leader Mayamasi, Okpaki Toromama, Koi Pangtok Pasida, Sarukiabiu, Lakpiu, Dola Duli Kaibiganu. Masida Laktagadi, Dosata Jagani, High Wapum in a Hirudo. Dosata Gani Habasi, leader Mayam Sina, Apaba Torubugi, Mokoy de Encrest of Vidraba, Okpaki Tona, Mokoda, Haranunga Vigi, Mayangi, Tagatwahi, Pibi Tragadi, leaders in the Ningan Agadi, I quite Dosata Gani.
Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren led members of BJP Manipur Pradesh and party workers in paying floral tributes to slain CRPF personnel of yesterday's Pulwama terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir. The condolence meet was held at BJP office in Kanchipur today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren strongly condemned the terrorist attack. He called upon every citizen of the country to stand united against terrorism. The Chief Minister appealed not to hold any kind of celebrations and functions tomorrow, requiring state ministers to attend, in condemnation to the incident. The attendees also observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls.
CRPF personnel sing, Sibai Singh Lubega, Akoi, BJP, Karikata Punama, Sarkar, Yauna, Makoi Bukoi, Salanzali, Pijari, Makoi, Bharaki Damota, Bharaki sovereignty, the Bharaki Praja, I could miss a Praja, Manga, Kampa, Mahai Kibani, and Kuba, Matata, Kaikum Nizari. Matam Bunam Pekoi, Amato and Lepaganda, Suba, terrorism in my opinion.
Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP Manipur has strongly condemned yesterday's terror attack which killed over 44 CRPF personnel at Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir. A candlelight vigil was held at Western Gate of Kangla this evening. Eminent ABVP members took part in the vigil. The attendees observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls.
Pakistan dagi lakpa terrorist singna changaga India ki sovereignty da kai ba thabak India ki security forces attack tawba handak su paramilitary forces CRPF jawan 44 suicide bomb maramana thomjalaga legidabasi tasengna nuai tabani leibaga sigi amadi India ki security da challenge leiba habase akoi punamak praja khoi ki nuksa thiningai ni.
Teachers, van drivers, parents and guardians of children studying in Catholic school Kanchipur staged a sit-in today against yesterday's planting of bomb at the school rear gate claimed to be carried out by proscribed KCP People's War Group. The protesters used various placards against the incident during the sit-in held at the school main gate. They appealed to bring immediate resolution between the school authority and the band outfit to provide safe and secure study environment for the students.
Catholic school society underground outfit high Mokuising Sisu, Karigumba, Yanadaba Panam, Legasu, Atuba Matamda, Mokuising Yana Bilwa, Manabiraga, Atubada, Mahim Tamba, the English Mahim Tamba Panganbu, Makatana, Sumba Palm, the Patuxi School, Amona Tuan Biganu.
Imphal West Commando team led by additional SP Operation Imphal West Police T.H. Krishnatombi carried out cordon and search operation at Thangal Bazar, Alugali, Haukaithel and Dharmasala today. The search operation was conducted from 3:30 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. Altogether, 412 individuals were verified and 12 persons without proper identification proofs were picked and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Manipur Police Training College, Pangai, in a press release informed that the passing out parade of the 47th batch of civil police male constables, which was scheduled to be held at Manipur Police Training College on February 16, has been rescheduled for February 19 at 9:30 a.m. in the same venue. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Luang Air Services and Cargo Private Limited setting off its air cargo services from Imphal to Delhi. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Luang Air Services and Cargo Private Limited today kicked off its air cargo services from Imphal to Guwahati, Kolkata, Delhi and Delhi to Imphal. Speaking to media at the Air Cargo Company office in Kwakatel today, company managing director Maisnam Ratan Kumar said the company established in 2016 came operational this year and people can now start booking for cargo services. It disclosed that efforts are owned by the air service under Manipur Financial Development Investment MFDI to start passenger air services by this August. MFDI General Manager N. Dhanachandra released a booklet of Luang Air Services and Cargo Private Limited on the occasion.
Hojikti akoi masigi permission sing asi phangba yabagi pandamdo yaura adana haibadi permission je phangani haibagi chapchaba phirepse leibadagi akoi service hongnanaba ihana hana cargo sina mayamna khudongchaba hana pijaraga mi passenger gi service na amuk mathang tarakpada tawjanaba na honajabani
national highway ani sida yamna tattana problem mayam thokpa amadi aduna taba tai problem mayam su leikre makoi sing asi ina akoi gi manipur sida leiriba belly maruina belly da leiriba miyam sing sida chininaw sing sida yamna haini nomuda changdrabya do polam sing asi yauhalakpada yamna wana thokpa ana karigumba khoina sigi Luang Air Service and Cargo Private Limited na hojik launch tawjariba cargo service asi sije launch tawba taragadi masi sinaba taragadi khoina nomuda changdraba yadruba polam sing makhada national highway sing da pusalagiba polam sing asi mathakta yamna athuba matamda amadi low fare haitari ama yamna nemba mamalda pusalakpa matamda aduki matik hoigi manipurda leiriba miyam sing asida kanaba pigani haina khat.
A new company named Lamyanba Group of Companies was opened at Tera Market in Imphal West District today. Lamyanba Group of Companies, comprising of Smart Security Service and 10 sister companies, strives to enhance economy of the state through its ventures in infrastructure development, agriculture and horticulture, skill development and vocational training. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Conservator of Forest T1 of State Forest Department, Thiam Mahendra Pratap, stated that it takes work culture and discipline above money to make the state prosperous. Chief Executive Officer of Bishnupur Urban Cooperative Bank, Maisnam Korau Hanba Luang, Manager of Bank of India Imphal Branch, Oinam Khogen, Managing Director of Lamyanba Group of Companies, Laimuzam Pratap, and many people attended the event.
Company mana akoi mi kya da koche primary producer be thabi thabadagi mana takai raga phogdoga ma powder semas de finally last product to magi company sina finished product to raga value added product oina atop lam da thak bi ba adu ide how much wealth will be created in Manipur da koina lei raga mapandagi loin lei ri base sidagi una thadu khiptar de Manipur ki paisa se mapandi pusala ung lei de adu ide atopa mioi kya ma su different akoi ga atopa akoi gi sector kya am da thak pirak pe
7-day farmers training program on scientific method of beekeeping for doubling farmers' income kicked off at Central Agricultural University, KAU, Imphal today. Integrated Beekeeping Development Center and KAU Imphal jointly organized a training program sponsored by National Bee Board, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. Launching the training program, KAU Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Premjit stated that the training program was organized to ensure successful beekeeping business. He urged interested beekeepers to jointly approach for undertaking relevant projects from the government. Bee farmers from across the state took part in the program.
Khoigumba sabab suba nomba kaiba de bajiba si teilite adna khoidagi koi tamnga yamna lai sabab suba nomba desu agi mayam si punsin biyo sai ko director habidu individual number ibe maga noani han punselo atomka thawaya kara sumu thiero adu nupi aktagi na sai gi adugumba nogi lai kai leida mi tara gi khandi drama ai khandi adugumba nogi farmers club hagera hai koi nogi organization ama schema kanda adudagidi ekoina karimatu project la kuma tamde sunoi de mateng panganda.
Month-long Saksham 2019, organized by Public Sector Oil and Gas Companies and Petroleum Conservation Research Association (PCRA) in Manipur, concluded today. PCRA launched Saksham 2019 under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, on January 16. The valedictory event was held at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal in North AOC. Speaking in the event, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam called upon everyone to use non-renewable resources like petroleum and natural gas wisely. He also stressed the need to come up with alternative fuels in place of petroleum and natural gas. The minister espoused cycling to reduce petroleum usage. Winners of competition held during the month-long Saksham 2019 were felicitated in the event.
Awareness oil consumption tawnanabane akoi society si khangi ti haiba aduga khanga thabak tawdragadi madu khangma singde an thabak oina pangthunanabane ngasi minister na cycle thawi si ai sagi natte tungda horaiban harol sing noi gi namutane sigi petroleum products sing si matam khagi matungda 2050 dadi lor pa yai aduna magi renewable energy matam sangna amuk semak pada matam sangmarina aduna prisa tawraga
Director of Information and Public Relations DIPR Haisnam Balkrishna today flagged off DIPR's 3-day internal tour to Ziribam. Speaking to media, Director Haisnam Balkrishna asserted that journalists will apprise the government on various developmental legs of Ziribam district.
Manipur ki khwaidagi samga border oiba lam oina leiba duga hujina district oina sulakokra Jiribam da loina na Jiribam tatna tatna Jiribam dagi Assam gi manungda leiba Kasa gi Baraveli da leiba Manipur ki settlement mayam amma history ga hoji jahaz ko mari leinaba wari ga mari leinaba keno mayam thodo ga to amadi leiba living monument mayam adi yengba khangba amuka su nauna na discover to ba habitare ko gi wari si adi simi am du khangan base basigi pandam sinjabani.
Mapari Ningsingkol Lub Amnil will observe the 10th death anniversary of Dr. Kishan, Token and Rajen at Mapari Ningsingkol near Uripok Cherab Court on February 17. It may be recalled that Dr. Kishan, Token and Rajen were brutally killed by cadres of NSC and IM on February 17, 2009. Speaking to media at Mapari Ningsingkol office in Uripok today, Amnil Secretary Yumlimbam Kapoor appealed to everyone to attend the memorial observance. He also appealed not to call any ban or general strike on the day.
Lamda masigi awa nungai marakta hingminari ba praja singi mapamda wapam amatang thamjari madudi phangsit ki tang tara tare English ngani ga sumna tarampul asida lamda masida nungai ba saruk phangdana leminari ba ireicha puna mangna ban blockade total shutdown daribu makhan gi athing ba amata tawidana ba manil gi maikei dagi nolukna wapam sima thamjari.
United Naga Council UNC held Lungaini celebrations on the theme Understanding Through Culture at Senapati District Headquarters today. Speaking in the event, PHED Minister L. Dikho stressed the need to sow the seeds for better understanding among different communities of the state. He also called upon the need to preserve and protect the environment to sustain life. Tamai MLA Awangbo Nyumai, Chingai MLA Kasim Vasum, Tamenglong MLA Samuel Zendai, representatives of Amoco, UCM, KUKNP, Zomi Council, JCILPS, Amokok, Mar Inpui Manipur, Committee of Civil Societies of Kanglei Park, CCSK, and many people attended the event. Various traditional performances mark the event. Residents of Chadong village celebrated Liungaini, the largest seed sowing festival of the Naga community today. It may be mentioned that Chadong village, which is considered as the oldest Tangkul village, was submerged due to the construction of Thawbal Dam. Salai Chairman Naringbam Samarjit assured the villagers of setting up similar PPP model Sekmai hydroelectric project at Thawbal Dam. Addressing the villagers during the Liungaini festival held on the theme Peace and Prosperity through Work Culture at Chadong new site today, Samarjit appreciated the villagers for courageously leading their life after the village was submerged. He encouraged the villagers to maintain the place as the best tourist spot to enhance their economy. Samarjit also assured that NEIDP will urge the government to construct proper roadways for the village. He stated Salai will extend monetary assistance in construction of the roadways if the hydro project is ever taken up in the village. The Salai chairman presented 1 lakh rupees in the spirit of festivity to the villagers under Salai Social Responsibility Program.
University into world-class university. That's why the destination of education. Tourism in sector da education sigi oiba lamduta pusalakpa. So as those researchers from all over the globe, Pitubiki, Mapam Kudimaktagi, University Kudimaktagi, research Kudimaksina, La Agasi research Tokzava. Mapam Sigi Pazava, Mapam Sigi environment, Mapam Sigi atmosphere, Pazakaraba Mapam Sina Piriba, Magi Itil Singaduna, Mana research to area to the gold medalist this place will remember all the time.
Pre-production ceremony of Changzhou Film Productions' first Manipuri feature film Minok was held at the office of the productions house in Bamon Lekai Nahabam Guru Leirak today. The film is based on the script written by Wesi Kom. Actors Minakshi, Amar, Pilot and Avi are in lead roles of the film. B. Rosie is the director and screenwriter of the film. Speaking on the occasion, B. Rosie stated that the film aims to portray hardships and stigmatization faced by women in today's society. Filmmaker L. Surjakanta, chairman of Film Forum Manipur, S. Mangol Jao, director of Naharol Githaudang Daily, K.H. Loya Lakpa, filmmaker A.K. Gyaneshwari and AFIMPA secretary Premjit Nauroibam attended the ceremony.
Nupina tawraga hekta lalhanba nupina tawbada landi landana nupida manungsi thitna di khangdaba haidi nupisina kadai bo sumino laleno khangdana mapangi mieng amadi yengaga nupibu namthubiba lalhanbiba masina magi punsida nupidugi punsida awaba kayama mayoknaba magi keno thengnaba asigi thimsida haitare yam sukna haijarabda sumaina base tawjaraga khoigi agi naw nupi waskom haiba magi story ni and screenplay dialogue tawjabani adu main tawraga ihan han boina
In sports, people of Ningthau accorded a warm welcome to Angom Bina of Manipur Sambo team, who participated in the first National Beach Sambo Championship 2019 held at Pondicherry Beach. Angom Bina, who won a gold and a silver medal in the championship organized by Pondicherry Amateur Sambo Association and the Sambo Association of India from February 8 to 10, Manipur Sambo Association members felicitated the team upon their arrival today at Imphal ISPT. Manipur started playing Sambo sports last year. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maina cautions CAB 2019 might be unexpectedly produced as an ordinance as long as BJP is in power, urges people to remain alert. Congress leader Okrami Bobi Singh says MPCC is urging INC President Rahul Gandhi to include scrapping of CAB 2019 in Congress Party election manifesto for the upcoming election. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren leads BJP workers in paying floral tributes to slain CRPF personnel of yesterday's Pulwama terror attack. And Luang Air Services and Cargo Private Limited begins air cargo services from Impal to Guwahati, Kolkata, Delhi and Delhi to Impal.